So hello everyone, and English is the one of the biggest challenge for everyone. Either if you want to go for a job, if you want to start your own business, so either you are starting your own business or you are going for the job. So English is really coming in front of you, and it is like giving you feedback that if your English is not good, you can't be a successful in today's world. Basically, the world has become global. You need to interact with the people globally. And what is the basic language that globally accepted or understood is English. So English is one of the basic requirements and essential language that we need to learn. Either you are going to get hired by someone, or if you want to hire someone, if you want to start your business, so you need to work on your English. So what are the things that if you want to improve your English, so what are the steps that you need to take? What are the steps that you need to follow to improve your English? So English is not very tough, so but we need to follow. And many of us have come from the different backgrounds where Hindi was our first language, or Hindi was our main language, or English was the second or the third language. But you don't need to worry. English is not very big things that you have not learned from your childhood. You can't speak English, you can't communicate in English. It is very easy, but you need to follow some of the tips and tricks that I'm going to share with you today. So I hope that you will understand and you will follow the things in a very nice manner, so that you can improve your English. So first of all, so if you are a learner, if you're big, if you're starting your English and you're from a Hindi medium background, and so what do you need to do? You need to you need to take small story books that will help you out. But if your English is a first language or the second language, you know something in English, if you know the sentence structure, you need to read newspaper or novel or books that will help you out. So my main motto is to tell you, or to make you understand, that if you are very poor in English,